Hey guys, it is a hot one here today. Is it hot where y'all are at? Let's go into the Goodwill Bins where it is air conditioned, and let's go treasure hunting for some goodies. Oh man, I'm like 20 minutes too late. They just dumped all the walls and they're putting new stuff. That's exciting, but I missed whatever was in the walls before they dumped it. Oh, there's a bunch of books. Might look through here, see if they have any vintage ones. Oh my gosh, did y'all see this? Look at this ginormous scuttle bucket just sitting there. How many people pass this? It's huge, but I have to get this. I have to get it. Look at these. Oh, it has a little crack right there. I feel like that's okay because just put it on the bottom. These handles are gorgeous. These baskets. All right, I probably need to go dig through the wall, but I got distracted by beautiful scuttle bucket, cute little baskets. What's this? I think this is like a chips and salsa one. All right, let's go dig through the wall. I would say that was a very good bin change. It's empty here now, but it was full when they changed it over, so it's hard to film. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Look at these little wooden Christmas ornaments. Y'all know these are my favorite. These are all little nutcrackers and they're adorable. And then, y'all, are you serious right now? Oh my gosh, I just want to find a whole bin full of these. Y'all know I love all the crazing and all of the stains on these pieces. And then look at the scalloped edge. This one is going to be hard for me not to keep for myself. I love that so much. Here's a little picture. It's made in Taiwan. It does have this flower on it, which I'm not crazy about, but I love the white color, so I figured you could turn it that way if you don't like the flower. Adorable and small. That'd be really pretty with a little plant in it. And I got this little cookie thing. It's a turkey. And I love these. This is not a Pampered Chef one. This is brown bag cookie art. It was made in 1996. These look cute just hanging as decor, or you could actually use them to make cookies. Y'all, you know I love a good shelf sitter. Look at this cow with the birds on it, and it does actually play music. So cute. I think I have another cow too that I got. So I might have two of those coming up in a vintage drop. Love these glossy white candlesticks. There's a pair of them, y'all. And it doesn't say where they're made, but I'm pretty sure they're older. And again, if you don't like the floral on it, you could just turn it around and it's just pretty and simple. Look how pretty it looks with that. So I got two of those, and then I got two of these as well. I do really like the flowers on this one. Put those there. This is for me. I just love these little dishes in my decor. They look so cute stacked up, and I could put a little teacup or actually like a pot or something in them with a plant, and I think that looks so pretty. Look at that. So that's kind of my vision for that. I'm keeping these for myself. I love these little glass pieces that come together. Let me move this so I can show y'all. You can use them like this. I had a customer that bought a bigger one like this and put a tea light in it. OMG, it was so beautiful. But you could also open it up and use it like two little trays. I just think they're so pretty. This one's a lot smaller than the last one I had. And then I got one of these bifold frames because I still have a lot of watercolor paper. So if you didn't catch my DIY on this, I will leave it linked for y'all. But I've been collecting these so I can make some more of those cute little artwork with it. Okay, so we dug through all of the wall. Now we have the rest of the store to go dig through. Do y'all remember when I found this piece at the regular Goodwill? I guess nobody bought it and it ended up here. What's this? This looks like brass. It's one of those, or oh, it's this way. Okay, so it's like a little garden scene. I don't know. I don't really like that. We'll leave that here for somebody else. Let's see. I don't really see anything else in this bin I'm interested in. What is this? Oh, it's an old photo album. I really need to get some pictures just for us to sit down and look through. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a door handle. So heavy. I thought it was a hook. That's the door handle. See? I saw that part. Yeah, do y'all get pictures printed now? At least need to make a photo album. You could just, you know, download all your pictures from Facebook or whatever and put them into a photo album. I really need to get on that. Alright, I'm not seeing anything in these bins, and this one is full of shoes. What is this? Oh my gosh! Look at this chair, how cute! Unfortunately, it's all broken up. I'm not sure what you could do with this, but I absolutely love it. Look at this little corner dollhouse, y'all. It's $8. I think I could fit this in Ren's room because she has that bookshelf right here. I could put it up against that and it would not take up a lot of room. $8. It's in really good condition. Oh, even the back is cute. This would be the only part you would see though. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I could pass this up. I feel like she would really like this and use it, and it would also, you know, kind of serve as a bookshelf where she could store all her Barbies and everything on it. Okay. I think we're gonna get it. My daughter told me over the weekend that she wanted some Converse platforms. So I sent her a picture of these to see if she wants these. I mean, they're platforms, they're not Converse. So we'll see what she says. I feel like it's gonna be a no. Oh, this is cute. That'd be perfect in a little mystery box. Oh, that is the perfect color for fall. Love that. What else is in here? Here's a little pink sconce. That's adorable, but I think I'm going to leave that piece here. Little teacher wind chime. And another bin of shoes. Here's a snow globe right here. Little Winnie the Pooh. Let's see what's over here. Alright, looks like shoes and clothing. Alright, this looks like a bin that I'm going to have to dig through. I think this is a table or something. There's a rounded piece here. This maybe looks like a leg. What's this? A little pig holder tray. I don't know. Ooh. Southern Living. Which year is this? This is 2022. It's just last year. Okay. I want to look through that. Add that to my cart. Here's another little pig. It's a salt and pepper shaker. If I find the other piece, I'll get that. It's cute. So sometimes the bins are organized and sometimes it's just stuff thrown in. He's kind of cute. He was $3 at the Dollar General. I actually really like him. Nice kind of pig pink color. A little bit of faux rusting. I like it. Ooh, this is a really nice basket. That'd be good for a plant. I just don't. I don't need another one, and that one's too big to sell. This is cute. That'd be so pretty for Christmas with some greenery in it. Some Forever 21. It's supposed to be a purse, but I would absolutely hang this on a hook and put some greenery in it. We're gonna get that. Let's go around. These carts, none of them work right. We also have all the reject carts here at the bins. There's a bunch of canvases. It's like just stuff that other people painted. Here's a nice picture. The music's not loud today, so I can actually take y'all with me digging. Okay, what's in here? I don't think there's anything that we want in there. Ew, ew. I don't even really want to touch that. Gotta move it out of the way. They're rolling out new bins left and right today. A lot of these bigger bins are usually clothing though, as you can see. Clothes, clothes. Might be some stuff in here. Lots of binders. This is a great place to find binders. I don't know if y'all have had to buy one lately. They are expensive brand new. Bins of binders. Alright, I don't really see anything. Here's the orange glittery pumpkin. These are great to make over, but this glitter, it's hard to paint over, so I'm not even going to attempt that. This looks like some more lampshades. Let's go over onto the other side. Let's see if they have anything. More lampshades, more binders. Nope, I am not seeing anything here. All right, I went pay for the dollhouse so nobody else scoops it up while I am buying it. It was, yeah, I think I told you I was $7.99. And if I get this in her room before I put this video up, I'll definitely post an update. Look at this precious little cross-stitch pillow that I found. It's not stuffed too much. I might give it to my seamstress friend and see if she can kind of clean it up and restuff it, because I think it is absolutely adorable. Here's a little napkin holder that comes with napkins. All right, I'm back to the books where I started. It's like a good vintage one. Y'all, look how pretty my cart is today. There's lots of fall colors happening. The Scruffy Puppy. Might have to get Ren a book. She loves new books. Oh, I love this with just a simple picture and the simple words. These are the kind of books I like to read. Okay, I think we'll get this for Miss Ren. Y'all see any other books that I might need? Little library. I don't think this is an older one. It's just missing the dust jacket. I just found 2 pieces of clothing for myself. It's a little different than what I would normally wear, but I'm gonna bring it home and try it. This is an altered state dress. It's a small. It's super cute. I like the cinched in waist and the kind of flowy, ruffly bottom and these little polka dots right here. So I'm gonna get that. And then this is from Forever 21, but it's super soft. It's in good condition. It's a size small. I really like the open shoulder look. So this is great when it's fall weather, but it's not really feeling like fall. So I'm gonna try this on at the house and see if I like it. And of course, I love these colors. I love fall color scheme so much. Pulling out new bins, but it's all clothing. Look at this precious little outfit right here. It's an 18 month, so I don't know a girl that would fit this. I'm gonna leave it right here like this. Maybe somebody else will find it. And then this dress is so precious. It's a 9-10, so of course it's a little bit big for Ren, or a lot big, but I just can't leave it behind. Look how cute this is. So hopefully when she's a little bit older, she still likes this look. I just love the appliques, kind of like an old quilt. So cute. So I got that. I think I'm gonna head out because they've been, like I said, rolling out new bins, but it's all clothing. Y'all, look at our little cow. How adorable. This is exciting. It's been a while since I had this good of a day at the bins. Oh, he's so cute. It's gonna be hard not to keep him. And our little pig. I know this is like an older piece from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store, but I think it's adorable. So if y'all remember everything that I purchased today, look at all our white stuff right there. And I mean, I just can't believe this is just sitting in a bin when I got here. Cute little dog. Got some clothing I'm gonna try on. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll redonate it. Just lots of goodies today. So I already bought the house for Ren, so that's paid for, but I'll put a total on the screen of how much everything else costs. So I hope y'all enjoyed our thrifting adventure today at the Goodwill Bins, and I will see y'all in the next one.